Hey, good morning. So, Ladybug FX Forex baddies, how are ya? So, we're actually on the British pound sterling, Japanese yen, on the 15-minute chart. And as you can see, I've already marked up my charts. And so, as you can see right here, we had a rejection of the daily support, alright? So, price began moving bullishly right here, alright? So, it did retrace from this point. And so, as we see here, we've marked up our charts and we see that price is continuing to move upwardly, alright? So, I've actually drawn this area right here because it was a little bit of consolidation in this area, just a little. And so, just to mark up this area so we can see if we have a break of this area here, alright? And see if it's going to move past this pin bar that we have here for this bearish candle, alright? And so, hopefully, we'll see what happens, and then price will hopefully continue to move bearishly, moving down this way is what I'm hoping, towards the daily support, breaking this area, and then of course continue to move down here to my monthly support. And so we want to make sure that happens. And so that is where I am right now. I'm just kind of just watching the charts just to see if it's going to be a break of this trend line area here, but it is currently moving bullishly on the 15-minute chart. And if you were actually trading this chart and you were here at this area and you saw it begin to move with higher highs and higher lows, as you see, and if you were actually trading this chart, you will see that this is a higher low than this area, all right? So we're aiming right here to see if it's going to be a higher high, okay? Or if it's going to break this area, okay? So that's what we're looking for. All right, and so, which basically means that we are in a bullish trend in this area here. And then hopefully price will go and move upward to the 4-hour resistance zone, all right? And that's where we are right now. Alright, so this is in current time. It's just 8:39 right now a.m. Alright, so have a beautiful day. Forex baddies. Yes! Ladybug FX. Alright.